I enjoy working for BG because it's not just like an office, it's more of a family. I would say most of my coworkers have become my family. We're pretty close and we try to cover each other's backs a lot, so that's one of the plus sides of working in the office. And aside from, being a student worker and receiving the perks of like staff members, free food, different things, it's just awesome being a BG student.
My favorite part about working at Falcon Outfitters is the 30% discount and the friendships I made with my coworkers.
I like working for BGSU because I get to meet a lot of new people and a variety of topics for writing.
I like working for BG because you get to have one-on-one experience with students and other people like you. Just different type of people come here every day, and it's pretty exciting.
I love working at BGSU because they're so flexible with working with my schedule, and it can be really hard trying to get classes to fit with work, but it's just been so easy. I really haven't had a hard time just getting to work and them being understanding of my class schedule, and that's why I love working here.